Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you new here, I'm Liliana, founder and creator of Sugarella Sweets. This channel is all about me sharing my tips and tricks about my cake decorating journey. So it's been a while, I'm back. I'm working on a big project right now, and this is why I've been away for a little bit, but I'm gonna try to do more videos. It's just everything together is like a little bit overwhelming, but hopefully I'll be able to talk to you guys about my big secret that I've been working on, and soon I'll be able, very soon I'll be able to tell you guys about it. So very excited about that, so stay tuned about that. And by the way, I haven't been making long videos, but I've been making a lot of shorts and TikToks, so you can go ahead and look at that. The reason why I'm doing those is because it's much easier for me, or shorter, so I could do it off of my phone and I don't need my computer to edit for hours and hours. It's just a matter of minutes. So you can go ahead and look at that, and you have access to that from my channel. So just go to my channel and then click on shorts, and then you have all my shorts there, or go to my TikTok, and I also have like recipes and other stuff there, which are so much fun. Today's video, it's a really cool rainbow cake with a chocolate drip on top and a rainbow cake topper. If you guys want to see how I made this, well, keep on watching. So the food coloring that I use is from Sugarella. It's a new product that they launched a few months ago, and it's a really good product. So I would highly suggest you going to see that. It's little bottles, but a little bit goes a long way. So you can also use my code for a 15% off a discount off of their website. So first what I do is that I'm going to create all the colors using the buttercream recipe that will be linked in my description box down below. I pipe them, I place them in a piping bag, and then I'm gonna pipe like a border all the way around using all the colors that I created around my cake, and then I'm gonna remove the excess and then scrape with my scraper all around until everything is smooth and it looks like it's like one line. So at this point, it's super important that when you go around your cake, you're actually going to make them even. So like that, when you scrape it off, it all looks even. And then what I do is that I pop it in the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes so that the buttercream sets and becomes a little bit hard. And then I can do the top, which is literally candy melts from Wilton. And then I added some cream, 35% cream, or I think in the States it's called half. So I just add 1 tablespoon at a time, and then I mix, and then I try it out to see if I like how it leaks out. And then once I like how it comes out, then I just pipe the border and the middle part, and I smooth everything out. And before it sets, I place my rainbow that I made using my extruder. I'm just gonna extrude all those colors and then roll them together and then glue them together with a little bit of water. Water and fondant creates glue, so like that the whole entire thing sticks together, and then so that it has a nice shape, I always use a little cookie cutter in the middle, and then like that you have that like nice shape. By the way, that piece has to dry at least 24 hours. So make the rainbow the day before or 2 days before, and then you can go ahead and then place it onto the cake. And obviously I inserted toothpicks at the bottom, so like that it's easier to place, and it will stick right on top of your chocolate drip. And then I place 2 little clouds using a 3D mold, and that was it. I also sprinkled a little bit of it was like little shiny little stars, also from Sugarella, on top, just to give it a cute little wow factor. And that was it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Again, I am not going anywhere. I'm just working on a big project, and I'm gonna try to post more. So I will see you in the next one.